everybody, it's Neil, and welcome to my to the wall. I guess here's my my 3D printer area. It's over there. I'm not even printing anything now. Pans are on, but today what I want to do is I have an iPad, and I want to mount it on a tripod. And I'm like, how can I mount it on a tripod? So I mean, I don't know. Let's try this. It's a tablet mount by KDD. So let's see. I think it's about 20 bucks or so. And we're gonna try this out and see if it'll work. Let's see what we get here in the box. Comes with, the box is empty, but it came with, I guess, a little screw thing to tighten it on. It comes with the little knuckle piece, and then I guess this is gonna be the mount here. I guess it'll fit on there, sideways. I don't know how it would tighten. I don't know, let's just read the instructions and see how this is gonna work. I mean this, let's see, we'll open up this here. I do know how these things work. These just screw onto the, let me see, can I take this thing out? I'll screw it onto the mount thing. It's a fancy tripod, but it has comes off like that. Okay, so now, okay, so now it is tightened on there. There, I would normally screw it on tighter, but whatever. And now we'll put this back on here. This way. Can't remember how it goes now. Is there a, I don't even know. Okay, but whatever, we're gonna get it on here. Okay, well, whatever, we'll say it's on, and it is on enough. Okay, so there we have this, and then we have the screw mount on the top, and now we're gonna have to get this onto there. So that'll screw on, but I wonder how it's gonna lock closed. I'm guessing that's what this little piece here is for, to lock that one on. So let's open this up and see how it works. Tablet. So, it's got the quick lock opening. Yep, quick lock opening goes on the back, right over here. So you can kind of see right there. I'll put it on while we're watching here. So then when we have it on, I don't know what this one is. Oh, I guess this is just the fine adjustment here at the top. Let's see, what does it say? Minimum jaw opening, maximum jaw opening. So yeah, so this is gonna open it up to there to the fine tuning. So we open it up, stick it in there, and then we can fine tune, adjust it with this one here. So let's see how we do. I have a case on it, so I'm gonna take it off, and I also have an Apple Pencil on there. There's no way it's gonna hold it with all that. It would probably hold it with the case, but whatever. Take it off, just try it there. Cool, it's got like rubber on the inside there, which is nice. So to hold it nice, I guess I will put it on there like this and this, and then I will tighten it up. So there, and then we can tighten that up and screw it on to this. I probably should have taken it on when it was off, but whatever. Just have a few apps that need updating. Okay, so there we go. So now I can use my tripod as a camera there. So I can actually aim this towards my 3D printer when I'm printing and use that, or I can just even use it as a stand. This tripod is so complex. I don't even know which buttons to do to make it go, but there. So I can, I could even just leave it somewhere while I'm sitting next to my work or whatever and sit there and do stuff with it. So there we go. So it works pretty good. So I like it, holds it in place, does what it needs to do. And I'm gonna go aim it at my 3D printer when it prints next time and see if I can live stream something onto YouTube maybe. We'll see how it goes. I'll put a link to it in the description, so if you guys want to pick one up for yourselves, you can. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and this is the KDD tablet mount, and it looks like it'll fit, this one here for sure, and it'll probably fit something way bigger So if you had this one, I think, I don't know, the 11-inch one, it would probably go another inch or so bigger. I don't think it'll fit that way. Maybe if it unscrewed, I don't know how much this top part unscrews. It would have to unscrew a heck of a lot to be able to fit it long way. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna, I don't know, maybe we'll try it. Let's see how open it'll get before it falls off. Might as well while we're here. It's pretty tall. Oh, so close. And there we go. So I guess if you want to do it long way, you do have the ability to do that. There we go. So there we go. It does fit that way too. So boy, that's pretty good. It fits it there. And then from the back, you can see that unscrewed that much. And then this piece here is all the way at full maximum length. So it seems to work. So that's pretty good. So I could do that way. So actually I could use it like even as a teleprompter or something if I wanted to. Just leave it like that or do whatever. So thumbs up for me. I like it. So thanks for watching. Bye.